In this short video, I'll show you how to restart your iPhone 14, 14 Plus, 14 Pro, or 14 Pro Max when frozen or unresponsive. This issue can occur for various reasons, such as your iPhone getting stuck on the Apple logo or when the touchscreen stops responding. But don't worry, there's a simple solution that doesn't delete any of your data. A force restart is a quick method that reboots your iPhone without needing to interact with the screen, especially when you're unsure how to turn off an iPhone without the screen. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With our years of experience, we've helped countless users resolve frozen iPhone issues, including the iPhone 14 series. We're going to explore the exact method for restarting your iPhone 14, 14 Plus, 14 Pro, or 14 Pro Max and fixing this problem. Stay with me until the end to learn what to do if the iPhone still won't restart even after following the process in this video. Now, let's get started on how to restart the iPhone 14 series. Before we begin, let's locate the buttons we'll be using. First, we have the volume up button, located on the left side of your iPhone here. Then there's the volume down button, right below the volume up button here. Next is the side or power button, also known as the sleep, wake button, found on the right side of the iPhone here. Before we proceed, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more Apple tips. Now, let's move to the exact sequence for force restarting your iPhone 14 or its variants. Pay close attention to the sequence. First, press and quickly release the volume up button. Next, press and quickly release the volume down button. Then, press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. Once the Apple logo appears, release the power button. Be sure not to slide to power off while following these steps, as we're performing a force restart to fix your frozen iPhone. The iPhone will switch off and reboot. It may take about 10 to 20 seconds for the Apple logo to appear, so be patient. These steps ensure you can safely reboot your device without losing data, even if it's stuck on the Apple logo or if you're trying to figure out how to turn off an iPhone 14 without the screen. But what if your iPhone 14 still won't turn back on, even after following these steps? No worries. In the video linked here, I'll walk you through additional steps to fix an iPhone that remains unresponsive, using the hard reset method. Tap to watch it after this. To explore more Apple iPhone video tutorials, click this card. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.